Welcome to the Matt the Chef Show. We're delighted to have you with us.
It's my show. What are you talking about? Brooke the Cook reads the hat, man.
No, this is the Matt the Chef Show.
No!
Thanks for coming on my show. We're going to have a wonderful time.
And today we're going to make, what are we going to make today?
We should make a kidney bean casserole.
No!
Why not?
We should make s'mores cookie cake.
Let's do everything you want to do.
Right, it's my show, and it's my way.
Yes, ma'am.
First, you put a 3/4 cup of brown sugar.
Excellent technique. Don't forget the softened butter. Sometimes when you first take it out of the fridge, it's a little bit hard, and all you do is stick it under your armpit like this for about 15 minutes. It'll soften right up and also works as a moisturizer. Let's just dump it in here.
Now you put it in the microwave, not in your armpit.
Well, that's how I learned. And now mix it up.
Okay. Yeah. Next, 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Excellent.
And Matt, do you know how to crack an egg?
Do I know how to crack an egg? I studied under the finest chef of France. His name was Chef Lafayette Le Pepe de Pew, and he taught me this very special technique. First thing you do is spin the egg. Make sure it softens the shell. You drop it from approximately 3 inches to give it a crack. Then you pick it up and you squeeze it with all your might. And you hold the shell in your hand so as not to mix it in. And a perfectly cracked egg.
That was the serving. Now let's pour the eggs.
Yes, Brooke the Cook. Voila.
Now mix it all together.
Wow, doesn't that look delicious?
It looks like steak. Now put 9 graham crackers in a bag and then smash them. Ow! Smash them.
This is going to take a long time. Can I try?
Ow! The dry ingredients and the wet ingredients together.
Pour it in, Brookie.
Okay.
Brookie the cookie. Cookie the Brookie.
That's it.
Alright.
Then you got a pie pan and spray it with cooking spray.
Cookie spray, that sounds delicious.
Cooking spray! Now my assistant Matt is going to pour some of the batter into the pie pan.
That chef Matt to you.
No, it's whatever. And it should look like this.
A thing of beauty.
Now it's time for the marshmallow fluff.
Special tip alert.
Spray your spatula with cooking spray.
And that way the marshmallow won't stick to the spatula.
Now you're gonna spread your marshmallow fluff.
Okay, well I take care of this. Why don't you lick your fingers clean?
Now we're gonna sprinkle the marshmallows, the graham crackers, and the chocolate chips.
That sounds delicious. Sprinkle the chocolate chips, interspersed with the marshmallows, and make sure you eat a marshmallow for every 3 you put on the dessert.
Don't forget the graham crackers. Wait, is that ready?
The final step is to take the remaining batter, mix a little bit of graham cracker in with the batter to give it a nice texture. Then you take it and you turn it into a pancake of sorts, which you just really flatten it out, make it nice and wide, and you're gonna put it on the top. Just like that, to give it a little pancake of goodness for the top layer. And then the final step is
Pour
to...
your chocolate chips.
Alright. Now it's just about time to throw it in the oven. Preheat it first to 350 degrees.
In 25 minutes.
High five.
Oh, come on! Okay guys, the cake is out of the oven. It's time to taste. Does it look good?
Oh, it looks so delicious. And it smells good too.
Okay, now let's taste.
Wow, this looks awesome.
Hi, Olivia.
Texture is good, flavor is good. We've done it again.
Can I have a piece?
What the? Well, this was a lot of fun. Thank you for coming on my show.
No, my show. You're coming on my show.
Oh, fine. I admit it. This was your show, but it was still a lot of fun. Can I come back someday? Awesome.
You can come back in 100 years.
Well, I hope to see you then.
Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share.
Bye.